Hello guys. So mo re file parabola le linear di mixitse mo go 1. Re file gore parabola re na equation ya teng ke 2x squared minus x minus 3 and then the linear e file ke gore ke x plus 1. So the first question ba botsang guys 1.1 ba re write down the gradient of what of g or go write a gradient mola fatshe like reng gradient ya straight line ne. So remember gore guys, okay, check this. So we are being given by saying the gradient can be y equals to mx plus c again. So the m is standing for what? For gradient. And the c stands for what? For y-intercept. And then we feel y is equals to what? X plus 1. Meaning our gradient is what? Our y-intercept are 1 again. X lashi. Or our mona 1. So that the gradient are 1. Alright guys. So the gradient for 1.1, okay, so the gradient is being given by what? By 1. Okay, so 1.2 area determine the coordinates of A and C. So how about the coordinates A and C? Get a guys ne. So already filo di mo graphing yang ya quadratic or any parabola. So mo graphing e get x-intercept like one of guys. So the only way I create x-intercept ko relate y na e 0, right? So ha relate y na e 0. So ra re file ke number 1.2, right? So ra hore ke y is equals to 2x squared minus x minus 3, right? And then anger guys, so for letter y are na e 0 agar. So we're ordering 0 is equals to 2x squared minus x minus 3 agar. So it's over or more le equation nyana. So we have to what? To solve this equation. The x-intercept itself agar. So kana ra itsa gore re solve rana ra itsa the normal way of factorize straight, like no factorize nje like using the factors tsa teng or ra berekisa quadratic formula, or maybe wa itsa the longer way ka go complete the square, get the longer way, that one. So I would say the easier one, the normal way. So I refactorize it to find we get 2x minus 3 le x plus 1 equals to 0. Or guys, when I can now decide to berekisa what quadratic formula because ke yona the easier way. And so then I berekise the normal way effect. So x is equals to minus 1 or x is equals to 3 over what? Over 2. So from here, we choose again. So let's get x-intercept. So from come a mo a in more thing, the x exists are now dealing what? Dealing in negative. And then most scenes in come dealing what? Dealing positive. Or are a let's say thing dealing negative again. Meaning a is going to be what? Minus 1 is 0 again. And then c it over 3 over 2 ling is 0. Guys. Ne? Let's continue guys. So for 1.3, but determine the coordinates of D. How can the coordinates at D? Banyaga which mo. So mo D ke mo hira lang ke mo loreng hona le intersection ya di graph agar go kopana linear le quadratic. So e re intersect ora di graph tsa re tlo di rang re tlo di equate ne gore tlo kra gore D o black ke eng agar. So how equating graph tsa rena? So graph tsa rena ke for linear it's what? It's x plus 1 is equals to what? The quadratic one, which is 2x squared minus x minus 3. Guys. Therefore, from here, come to ranga thing, go hirang, retro solver or ready what? Ready factorize. Nah, sorry guys, sorry. Oh, I'm sorry guys. I meant to say more. I'm already group up the like terms, and then from there we factorize, we solve guys. Ne? Sorry, grouping how I got the terms starting. So probably 2x squared minus x, or this x at the side to change a sign again. From minus x. Internal minus 3 again. And for this 1 you can change a sign again from minus 1 again because moving is 0, right? So internally 0 is equals to 2x squared minus x gives us minus 2x minus 4. I get it guys. So the same as 2x squared minus 2x minus 4 equals to what? Is equals to 0. Therefore, from moral can divide both sides by 2 mo tla divide mo tla ka 2 guys again. So ra sala kang ara seno divide mo hotle ka 2 re tlo sala ka x squared minus x minus 2 is equals to what? Equals to 0. From here we can do what? We can factorize again guys. So for how to factorize guys, we're gonna berekisa quadratic way or ra berekisa the normal way ka gonya ka di factor again guys. So how to factorize re berekisa the normal way re kry factors are again ke x minus 2 and then re kry gore gape engwe gape keng ke x plus 1 equals to 0. So when we check guys for the reverse wa check gore na ilo tsa gago ke tsona na again. So ra gore kry x re na ke okay ke 2 or x re na keng ke minus 1 again guys. So from here kana re rang so re tlo check gore d ha re tseng d rena guys re level. So d e ka mo le side le feng le sa mo le side le gore ni x tsa rena di what di positive again guys. Ora re tlo number le positive king ke 2 again. So ha re tsa 2 ora tlo tsa 2 re substitute mo any equation guys, like re kana re substitute mo linear or re substitute mo quadratic tlo re fa ntsha o tshwana ha re checking a ke ro pola re mo kae mo quadratic re na le eng. So mo quadratic ora re tlo kry eng re tlo kry gore keng re tlo 2 plus 1 re fa what re fa 3 again. So a check mo e tlo re fa bokae 2 squared minus 2 minus 3 re fa 3 go bona guys tso tlhane se dira tshwana. So ra goreng for coordinates tsa rena tsa d ora re pele re kry-ile gore ke answer rena ke 2 and what and 3. So guys let's move. So a 1.4 bar y-intercept of f akere guys gopola gore re tsara re rena ka di intercept re ra lebella akere. So no rena ka y-intercept akere. So rena ka y-intercept ora re tlo leta x e be 0 and then ba nyaka yang ya f keng check f keng guys ke yona parabola. So rena leng y is equals to 2x squared minus x minus 3. So re tlo letang x re na e be 0 because of we want what y-intercept. So y equals to 2 0 squared minus 0 minus 3. So y equals to 0 minus 0 minus 3. So our y-intercept are naking ke minus 3 again. So I move. So 1.5 are now determine the axis of what of symmetry of f. So guys axis of symmetry play ke eng axis of symmetry ke line along kata the graph equally kama side a lekana ne. So let's check. So re kry bang axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry ne we're gonna work this formula x1 plus x2 divided by what by 2 again. So ro check the x-intercept tsa rena. So let's check a yona our first x-intercept king ke minus 1. So ro tlo re king minus 1 and then second intercept rena king ke c again. So king ne 3 over 2. So ro tlo re plus 3 over 2 divided by what by 2. So you can check minus 1 plus 3 over 2 divided by what by 2. It's 1 over 4. So it's what it's 1 over 4 again guys. Or you can take this guy another method go in this method x is equals to minus b over 2a, right? So x are okay it's minus. So b are pila put our b are so again guys it's a b and c. What are b are is going to be what here minus 1. So what are b are not substitute minus 1. It's minus 1 2. A are again guys are checking a are namo again get 2 again. So to substitute 2. So x are is being given by what minus 1 times minus 1 is what it's 1 and then 2 times 2 is what it's 4. la bona di-answer tsa rena di a tshwana guys ke yona the what, the axis of what, of symmetry. So let's move to what, 1.6. How to 1.6 re nyakelang guys, determine the coordinates of the turning point of f. So the turning point of f ne re tlo berekisa eng go kry the coordinate tsa turning point of f? Re tlo berekisa this method or now guys. Already the turning point, again the turning point is being given by what, p leng the q, and then how do you get p? P are na re kry ka gore negative b over 2a, the same way as this ne? So already p are na re kry gore ke bokae, ke 1 over what, over 4. I agree guys. Therefore from here what are we going to do? From here re tlo tseya pa ne? So pa play represent what, represent x. Yeah, the turning point. I get it guys. So it's like this represent the x, this represent what, y ne? So re tlo ira bjang a fetsa, re tlo tsa formula rena which is y is equals to 2x squared minus x minus 3. I get it. So for to substitute, y is equals to 2 1 over 4 squared minus 1 over 4 minus 3. So y ya rena ile kana leng hape le kana le q, so re tlo le kana leng, tlo re 2 1 over 4 squared ne, minus 1 over 4 minus 3. It's minus 25 over 8. So it's minus 25 over what, over 8. Minus 25 over 8. So the turning point that's now king, the turning point is 1 over 4 minus 25 over 8. What is the domain and the range of f? That is the last question. 1.7. That's all the last question. 1.7, sorry. So domain x is an element of real numbers. And then are discussing the range. So the range here now guys, it's going to be this way. So how a happy parabola are you guys? How a happy parabola? It is happy parabola how is going to be y, it's going to be y, sorry guys, it's going to be y is greater than or equals to q. But on a set parabola is going to be y, it's less than or equals to q. So no certainly which parabola? Another a happy parabola. So y is going to be what? Y is greater than or equals to what is our q? Q nelo y a. So q again can minus 25 over 8. So like all of questions guys. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Yeah, peace.